Here is how to use widgets on WordPress, perfect for customizing your site's sidebar, footer, or homepage. First, log into your WordPress dashboard by going to your site/WP admin. In the left-hand menu, hover over Appearance and click on Editor. This will take you to this page. On this page, let's click on Patterns. In Patterns, you'll see the available widgets area like sidebar, footer, customs, or header depending on your theme. To add a widget, simply click the plus button, then search or browse for a block such as search bar, recent posts, categories, or even custom HTML. Drag and drop the widget into the area you want. You can then customize each widget's title, content, or settings. To rearrange, just drag widgets up or down within their section. When you're done, click Update or Save to save your changes. And the changes will appear live on your site. And that's how to use WordPress widgets. Easy, flexible, and great for enhancing your site's layout. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.